In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement a dark theme setting in Salesforce using a simple browser extension. Let's dive right in and set up your workspace to align with the dark interface, making it easier on the eyes, especially for those late-night working hours. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google by typing www.google.com into the address bar. Once you're on the Google homepage, move to the search bar and type in Salesforce Dark Theme. This search will direct you to a range of options for customizing Salesforce's theme. From the search results, locate the option reading Salesforce Dark Theme, Chrome Web Store. This is where you'll find the browser extension that enables the dark theme. Clicking this link will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store. Once there, you'll see an option to Add Extension on the page. Hit this button to install the dark theme extension to your browser. This process might take a few moments, and you might be asked to confirm the installation. Go ahead and allow it, as this is a necessary step towards enabling the dark theme in your Salesforce experience. With the extension installed, it's time to head over to Salesforce. In the search bar of your browser, type Salesforce Login and select the link that appears as Login Log Salesforce. Clicking this link will bring you to the login page of your Salesforce account. Enter your login credentials at this point. First, input your username in the designated field. If your credentials are saved, you might not have to type everything in again. Then move to the password field and carefully input your password. Be sure to double-check for any typos to avoid login issues. Finally, once your username and password are set, click on the Login button. Now that you're logged into your Salesforce account, look for the Quick Settings option. This might be located in different areas depending on updates, but it typically appears under your profile settings or in an intuitive, easily accessible place. Click on Quick Settings, and there you should find an option to enable the dark mode. Toggle this feature on and you should see your interface seamlessly transition to a darker palette. This change not only gives Salesforce a fresh look, but can also enhance your productivity by reducing glare and eye strain, especially during extended work sessions. That's it. You've successfully installed a dark theme extension for Salesforce. Feel free to explore other customization options available with the extension, but keep in mind the primary goal is to create a workspace that's comfortable for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides.